General greetings.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How was your weekend?
It was good, thank you.
How's everything going?
Everything is going well.
Are you ready for the meeting?
Yes, I am.
Did you enjoy your life?
Yes, I did.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I am. Feeling well.
Asking for help.
Can you help me with this report?
Sure, I can help you.
Do you have a moment?
Yes, I do.
Where can I find the printer?
It's in the corner of the office.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, here you go.
Could you check this document for me?
Of course, I'll check it.
Can you give me your phone?
Sure, here is it.
May I go to bathroom?
Sure, you can. Go.
Scheduling and meetings.
What time is the meeting?
It's at 3 p.m.
Can we reschedule the meeting?
Yes, when would you like to reschedule?
Is the manager available?
Not right now.
Who is leading the meeting?
Mr. Khan is leading the meeting.
Did you send the agenda?
Yes, I emailed it. Yesterday?
Office work.
Have you finished the project?
Yes, I have.
Where's the file?
It's on the desk.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm okay. For now,
When is the deadline?
the deadline is tomorrow.
Can you send me the email?
Yes, I'll send it now.
Did you print the documents?
Yes, I printed them.
Phone conversation.
Can I speak to Mr. Ahmad?
Yes, please hold on.
Is this the HR department?
Yes, it is.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, please go ahead. Did you receive my call? Yes, I did.
Can I call you back later?
Sure, no problem.
Problem solving.
What should we do about this issue?
Let's discuss it with the team.
Is there a solution?
Yes, I have an idea.
Did you report a problem?
Yes, I reported it.
Can we fix it by today?
Yes, we can.
Who is responsible for this task?
Mr. Ollie is responsible.
Is he able to solve the problem?
Yes, he is able to solve the problem.
Lunch break.
Are you doing for lunch?
Yes, I am.
Where do you want to eat?
Let's go to the cafeteria.
What time is the lunch break?
It's at 2 p.m.
Can we order food?
Yes, let's do it.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Feedback and review.
How was the presentation?
It was excellent.
Can you review this documents?
Yes, I'll review it.
Do you have any feedback for me?
Yes, your work is great.
Did I make any mistakes?
No, it looks perfect.
How can I improve?
Focus on time management.
Can you check my phone?
Of course, I can check your phone.
Office etiquette.
Can I take this chair?
Yes, you can.
Should I knock before entering?
Yes, please do.
Is it okay to use meeting room?
Yes, it's free now.
Where should I keep this file?
Keep it in the cabinet.
Can I leave early today?
Yes, but inform the manager.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can. Meet again.
End of the day.
Did you complete your tasks?
Yes, I did.
Are you leaving now?
Yes, I am done for the day.
What time do you leave?
I leave at 5 p.m.
Do you need a ride?
No, thank you.
Will you be here tomorrow?
Yes, I will.